Today's video, we're going to be renovating this old gas lamp which I got from an antique shop into a usable LED lamp. Light, camera, renovate. Hi, welcome to Renovate Innovate, and I'm Andy. Today I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be turning this antique gas lamp into a usable LED light. Quite a straightforward one. We're going to just strip it apart, give it a clean inside, clean the glass, and fit it with the light with a switch so we can put any bulb in there. It's going to be great. We're just going to do it now, start taking it to pieces. This is an antique gas lamp. We're not 100% sure what it was used for. It looks like maybe it was a searchlight or something. It's got this glass front. Got to be really careful taking this glass off. It's really sturdy and strong. You can adjust the angle of the head. It should be straightforward to wire up for it. It's got this colour gas or orange gas pipe around it, and we'll not be using the gas or the gas pipe, but to replicate that, we've got some orange flecks to try and keep it in keeping and look like it's still got the gas lines running to it. What we're going to do is we're going to cut off this old gas fitting and fit our own bulb fitting there, chase the cable out to a switch, and then that's going to go out to a 13 amp or 5 amp plug, I'm not quite sure yet. Give it a clean, put the bulb in, put it back together. Yeah, we'll carry on. This is going to come off, we'll not be keeping this on it. That looks like 50 years worth of dust in here. The first thing we're going to have to do on this, excuse me, is we're going to have to grind this off. So I'm going to do that now, get the grinder, get the safety, the PPE equipment on. We want that bulb to sit somewhere central, I think, to give out the most light. So yeah, we're going to cut this off. Right, what I'm going to try and do now is, rather than try and get this cable through with this orange rope style covering, I'm going to remove that so we've only got the flex to put through. So I'm just going to remove that we don't need, carefully. If I can get it off there. Yeah. Right, so we've got our cable in, we've ground off the old gas light front and back, we've got a fitting at the back there, the original one, and now we're going to be putting our lamp fitting on this. We'll just feed it through, push it over this gas pipe, and we're just going to use a grub screw that's on there, on this new fitting, just to help hold that in place. There you go. And then we'll get it wired up. And remember, if you're not competent at this, get somebody that is. Get a qualified or certified electrician who can sign this off as being safe. Right, that's our fitting. Now we're bulb in. Now it's just a case of wiring the switch and the plug. Give it a clean and get the front back on. Right, so there we are, we've got our bulb in, it's all wired up, ready to go. Let's make sure it's working. So, computer, lights off, let's check. Awesome, yeah. Oh, that looks amazing. Yeah, so the next thing for us to do is we've had this little plaque made up. We're going to put that on. So computer, lights on. Yeah, and we'll get this plaque fitted on there, and when it's on, we'll give it all a good clean and reassemble the glass. So yeah, let's crack on with that. Looking great. Now it's just time to give it a good clean. We're going to use some of this Mellerud metal cleaner and the glass and mirror cleaner, and then we'll get it assembled and get it in place. Well, make sure we'll leave all the links in the description below to all these products, just in case you want to try them out. This one is caked in, oh look at that, yeah. I love cleaning. Look at that. Oh, screwdriver. Yeah, so here we have it. Our gaslight renovation project. Looking fantastic in situ here in this loft space. A little eating chill out area. We knew we'd be able to convert this, and it was a real simple job. So, the most difficult part was grinding off to get the fitting in there. A little bit of drilling involved. And of course we made the plate for the top. It's not necessary, but it looks fantastic on there. Yeah, a little switch to wire in and a plug to put on. It's been pack tested, it's safe, it's ready to go. It looks fantastic in this loft space. Just given the right amount of light. You could always change the bulb though if you wanted a bit more light. I hope you have liked watching this, and if you have, please like, share and subscribe to the video. Hit the notification bell, get notifications of all the other videos, projects we've got coming up. There's loads on our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.